Hey everyone, I'm YOUSHA, aka Julie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. WYGO stands for when you get old. Alright, I am excited to share a Yesstyle haul. Sadly, or not sadly, the truth is I made this purchase in early March. And then it took almost a month to arrive. And then it's taking me almost 4 weeks before I could film this. So let's just say it's been about 2 months and I really don't remember anything I ordered. I remember one thing, or the type of product, not the brand, nothing special. So let's unbox this together and it will be a mystery. So if you aren't aware, Yesstyle is international. I don't know how you refer to it. They're located in like Hong Kong. So yeah, international. They sell products from around the world, but they have a lot of Kbeauty, which is Korean beauty, skincare, and makeup, Japanese beauty, and just products from around the world. But I consider them or think of them as the place, if you are into Kbeauty, to shop. They have great prices. They always have sales. And yeah, when I do make a purchase, even if I want like one thing, I don't like paying shipping and handling. And because it comes overseas, I don't know, you have to hit a certain amount. It's not too high. I don't know, $35, $50 maybe. And then I'm shopping and then I always end up going way over that amount. So that is what is in here. A bunch of products so I could buy the one product that I was influenced to buy. But was I influenced from a beauty YouTuber? Nay, nay, my friends. No, I was actually influenced by one of my subscribers. Yes, I get influenced by anyone and everyone. One of my subscribers was telling me about some magical eye cream that gets rid of dark circles. And I said, what's the name and where can I buy it? All right, so here is my haul, plus one large item that I will share in a moment. All right, item number one. This here is a package of beauty, they call them beauty tools. They're cotton squares, cotton rounds that are rectangular shaped, you know, the type if you want to put a toner or take your makeup off with. This is from the brand Meilamei. I've bought these before. I will buy them again. Basically, anytime I do a haul from Yesstyle, I will pick up some cotton pads because they have them at a really good price. Alright, I did get a free sample packet for making my purchase. This is Madagascar Centella Quick Calming Pad. Don't know what that means. Like if you just take it to clean, I don't know. It was free. Alright, let's move on to actually what I picked up. So, let me see if I can find the product that my subscriber and friend, by the way, influenced me to buy. I don't know. So let's just grab this first one here. I'm going to need my little friend in this video because the writing's very small. Okay, so this is Nature Republic Honey Melting Lip in 01 Apricot. Apricot. I don't remember buying makeup. I have enough makeup. I was like, stick to skincare. Alright, apparently I bought a lip product. Alright, it's giving Tarte Marcousia vibes, and now I think e.l.f. has a similar product. Yes, okay, you click up. Why would I get apricot? I don't like orangey shades. Yeah, I think the photos online made it look like a soft pink. Okay, it's soft. It's just a little more orange than I like. Will you be able to see it? Probably not, but we'll add it. Yeah, it's a little orangey, but neutral orange. Okay. Very comfortable. Feels exactly like the Tarte Marcousia. I don't remember the price. Something will have floated on screen. So that's product number one. Product number two. Don't know what this is. I know I wanted to get another toner or an essence, but no. This here is a waterproof lip and eye makeup remover. I go from, oh, I'm almost out of my Lancome, Bifossil, the stuff I love, but that's really, really expensive, to buying every one I can find. Now I have like, I don't know, 5 or 6, and I need to figure out which one is the most affordable and that I really enjoy. All right, what brand is this from? I can't tell. Something will have floated on a screen. All right, this next product is super heavy, so this must be the toner or essence. Yes, this is Time Revolution, the first essence 5X. Oh, it's from MISSHA. I know that brand. There's certain Kbeauty brands that I've tried products from. All right, why are you taped? Just sneak in from the bottom of the box where it's weird. It's like, why bother taping the top if you can get into the package via the bottom? Ooh, speaking of this is really fancy packaging. This is glass, frosted glass. I don't know if it'll pick up on camera. It's kind of tapered down and it's like oval, or not oval, but it's not round, it's not square, it's rounded. Ooh, that's just gorgeous packaging. All right. Oh yeah, it has one of those little stoppers. Yes. All right, the question is, are you more of an essence or are you more of a toner? Either will be fantastic for me. Foreign language, cannot read. All right, it has the word essence. MISSHA Time. Oh, here we go. Here's English. An essential essence in clear liquid form helps strengthen the fundamentals of skin that have been weakened due to external aggressors by revitalizing skin's ability. I read a bunch of words that still didn't tell me. Let's see, directions. After cleansing, dispense an adequate amount on cotton pad or gently sweep over face. Even though it has the word essence, I want to say it sounds like it's maybe more of a toner, but I will do more research on the website, and then if I find any information, it will float on screen. All right, these next two products, do I need them in my life? I'm going to say yes, because they are one of my holy grails. So these are from MISSHA as well, and this is the Perfect Cover BB Cream. I emptied earlier this year, January timeframe maybe, December maybe, I don't know. Sometime in the past 3 to 4 months. These are so good. I like the Purito, but then I've discovered I like these just as much. And because of the packaging, I like them even better than the Purito because they are Lazy Girl approved and you get more product. So standard foundation, you get 30 ml or 1 fluid ounce. These, I believe, are 1.5. Let me verify before I stick my foot in my mouth. Yes, 50 ml or 1.5 fluid ounces. So you get more, and it's like the same price. And it's a squeezy tube with a pump. Hello. And I always get 2 because I'm kind of in between shades. One is 23 and one is 21. And I just put a pump of each, mix the 2, and it's perfection. All right, the last item. So this must be the one I was influenced to buy. And of course, it has the foreign language. Oh, no, okay. So this, I don't know the brand, but it's the Revive Eye Serum Ginseng plus Retinol. Trying to see if I can find, oh, Joseon? Joseon? I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm going with Joseon. Beauty of Joseon. That must be the brand. And, oh, good to know. It expires in the year 2027. Because, you know, me, I own 8 million products. By the time I get to using something, yeah. Okay, good. So I have 3 years to use this, but hopefully I'll use it sooner. So, okay, it's just squeeze the tube with a pump. Yay, packaging. And supposedly she noticed a difference with dark circles. This will have to get in line because I have a couple other eye products going, but this will move up towards the front of that line so I can give it a try. All right, that was everything I picked up from Yesstyle. If anyone's curious, I'm going to list how much I spent, my discount code, and Honestly, at one point I signed up for their, I don't know what they call it, their influencer program or whatnot. If you want to do a haul or make a purchase, I'll link down below my code. I don't know that it works because I tried to use it for my own purchase and maybe that's why it didn't work. I don't know. But if you're curious, I want to say it's like wygowarrior 1. I don't know. But if you don't use mine, that's fine. Use somebody's. Use a discount code. I'm all about the discount code. So find somebody's so you can save some money. All right. I'm super curious if you've ever made a purchase from Yesstyle or if you are into Kbeauty products, whether it's skincare or makeup. Don't be afraid. And it's overseas. This is probably the 5th or 6th haul I've done. Never had a problem. And honestly, this is the longest time it took for my products to get to me. I think I said 3 weeks. Maybe it was more like 2.5. Other times they've come in like a week. So it's, considering it's coming from halfway across the world, not too shabby. All right. I want to thank each and every one of you for stopping by. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't done so by now, I would love if you would subscribe. For those who have, thank you so much. And remember to click that bell icon so you get notified when I upload future videos. And if you could do me a big favor, clicking that thumbs up. It's so quick. It's so easy. It's so free to you. It really does help with my channel to grow. All right. Thanks, everyone.